Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting with Laura. But today we're going to do an unbagging. This is from Amazon and it's not going to be diamond painting today, so this will be something different. I wanted to try these kits out and see how they went. Let me get them out of this bag. Came in a bubble mailer. Turn them over here. Okay. And the first one is, they're both cross stitches. And the first one is from the EAFIOR store at Amazon. And it was $11.99. I ordered it April 3rd and received it April 9th. And as you can see, it's a basket of lilacs. Lilacs are my favorite color. They were my grandmother's favorite, and we used to have lilacs when I was a little girl. They grew out in our backyard. We had like 8 or 9 trees of lilacs, all in different various shades. Let's see if we can pull this out. Has a nice picture of it. I'll see, it says it's 14 count. Oh dear. Well, it's a little smaller than the smaller count. The last one I got was an 11 count. And it says it's 48 by 41 centimeters. Comes with a picture. I didn't see. Nope, there's nothing on the back of that. Comes with the instruction booklet. So, and it has the key on the bottom, which is nice. So we'll see. I'm getting brave here, guys. I gave you a little cotton ball to stick your needle in, and they only sent you one. Oh, nope. Yeah. No, there's actually two needles in there, and all the threads are. Let me sit down here. Oh gosh, been a long day, guys. All right, and it looks like it has. Let's see. Let me look. It's going to tell you how many. It has 32. I don't understand this. Oh, Lord. We're in trouble already. Oh, my God. No, I'm just kidding. There's 32 colors. And I don't know what. I guess all these. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, so all of these. And all of these and this little bit here are all full stitch. And then the ones over here, there are 5 of them that are the half stitch. And I've never done a half stitch. So this will be interesting. We'll see. But they have all the nice pretty colors on this. But I don't know here. It says there's 32 colors, so I'm assuming. Oh, I see. That didn't make sense. I guess they just stapled it all together. I'm just gonna release it just on one side here. Okay, so they got 1 through 15 on this side, and then 16 through 30 on this side, down here, and then the last 2 are on this other one. So let's look at the canvas. This is a lot smaller. I've used 14 count 80 before, but so we'll see. Oh goodness. So that is the picture. I'm gonna run this way. Let me turn it. Well, I can't turn it. Hang on. You almost can't tell, but this is the basket down here, and this is the flowers up here. And it looks like butterflies and maybe birds on the top. I didn't look at the picture really well. What is that? Oh, maybe that's leaves. I'm sorry. Let me see. Yeah, these up here are leaves, and there is a butterfly right there, maybe. Or just another green leaf. But it looks really clear. I won't know that until I get into it. It'll be interesting. I wanted to do something smaller than that other one. This fabric is really, really super, super stiff. So we'll see how that goes. And they sent you the pre-printed instructions. It says instructions for pre-printed fabric cross stitch. And then they also give you the instructions for if you wanted to do counted cross stitch. That was one of the options when I ordered this, was whether I wanted it printed or not printed. And let's see here. I was going to see what it said. The name of the company was, oh, it's over here. And it's Sevfan cross stitch, pre-printed and dispensable chart reading. No, we weren't going to go for that. So we'll see how this goes. But I wanted something a little bit smaller, and I thought it was beautiful with all these beautiful colors of the lilacs. It just reminded me of my grandmother's flower garden. So, and the thread is really nice and soft. It's high quality. It looks like DMC if I ever saw it. I mean, it's just really nice. And it's unlike that one, that great big one that I got. So, okay, let's put that aside. Now the next one is from Maydear Company, or excuse me, store, and that's Maydear, and that's on Amazon. I paid $15.99 for this one, and I ordered it on the 3rd of April and received it on the 9th of April. So this is the picture. It's a bouquet with roses and little yellow flowers. Let me see if I can get this in closer. There we go. Hope you can see it. I just thought that was really pretty. Okay, hang on. We're going to set you back down again. Sorry. Earth shake. Okay, let me tip it down. And I want you guys to know I fixed my computer. Well, I didn't fix my computer. I fixed my brain. And I can now make as long a video as I want, and I don't care how many pieces it breaks it up. I can put it all in one. I have figured out how to do that. Okay, this one also comes with the same kind of instructions. And if there's any special stitches, you know, I'm sure they'll show you, but so far it looks just like plain cross stitch. Hang on. Everything was upside down. And there's the picture. Isn't that beautiful? I just thought that was just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There's nothing on the back. It comes with the instruction. Well, this isn't, well, I guess it's a booklet, but they're all separated. Like there's one side on this one of the whole thing and one side on the other. And you can kind of, I'll hold it back here so you can see the pot that it's sitting in, and then all the pretty flowers. I just thought that was gorgeous. Had to have it. And the threads are nice and soft. They're just, oh, absolutely luscious. Now on this one, I'm really surprised at the quality of this kit. I really am. And this has, oh God, we got more half stitches. Oh, help me, people. I guess I'll have to learn how to do half stitch, but we'll figure it out one way or another. And it has 44 total colors in it. So these, I hope it's focusing. These are the half stitches down here. And let me flip this up. And these are the full stitches. It's 1 through 38 are the full stitches, and then it picks out, like, it says 17, 18, 19 is a half stitch, 29, 31 is a half stitch, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 are all half stitches. So we'll see how that goes. But some really awesome, I don't like these things. I miss the old days. I want them all wrapped up on those little cards, so I'm going to have to get me some cards. This just, unless I cut it in half, you know, so that everything's facing the same way. I saw, oh, what is her name? Oh, something with Gedge, I can't remember, but she's the one that sells the Colored Street nails. She had, like, there was only stuff on one side, and she put it in a notebook, which I thought was really cool, and then she just zipped it up. But there's all the pretty colors. Lots of pinks, a little bit of blues, and over here we have some purples and some muted like colors, like I would call that mauve and like a muted pink. And then we have salmon and red and yellow. So those are going to be pretty. Let's look at the canvas and see if it's better. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome. And it is, oh my goodness, it says that the canvas itself is 212 wide and 178 high on this one. But this, look at this, isn't this just going to be awesome? Yeah, I know, I haven't finished the other one, but you know how Laura gets. This is the smallest that Laura could go because she just couldn't stand it not being big. So, you know, this is my step down, but this canvas, I swear, right here, is probably a 40 by 50. I don't know if I wrote that down. Let me look. If it says... Oh, dear. Oh, no, wait. Oh, yes, here we go. It says it's 59 by 51 centimeters. And it says Ecology, maybe that's why it's so soft. Ecology Cotton Floss. So I've never used that before, but it feels like DMC floss that I would buy, because I usually don't like to buy cheap floss, and this is just absolutely wonderful. It feels like the back of a Diamond Art Club painting. But so we will see. Get them all straightened out. Now that last one, it was so big I had to go through and put all the the threads on the things like this, because they were all little jumbled bags of knots because I had pulled out one thread or whatever, and I couldn't handle that. So, but I think I'll start on this one first, and I'll do a whip and gab, or whip and stitch, a whoop and stitch. So we'll see how this goes. But it looks less complicated, actually. So we will see. And I'll let you know how it goes. But, alright. Well, thank you guys for joining me today and watching my unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. I usually try to do 3 or 4 during the week if I can. It just depends. Now, with summer coming and the restaurant being busy, I don't know if that's going to be true to form or if that's going to be regular, but I try to do a couple of stitching and a couple of diamond painting whip and chats a week, and then if I have unboxings, I have unboxings. So we'll just kind of see how it goes and play it by ear. I did get a webcam, so I can do lives. So if anybody's interested in me doing a live, just let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I got diamonds in there already. Isn't that sad? It's just sad. Well, I have 2 passions, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh, it did come with a needle there somewhere. I didn't see it, though. I have my own needles. And I like... Oh, look. There's already... I just put it back in the bag, and there's already... Oh, I thought that was inside. I was going to say there's already a diamond in there. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. God bless.